Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. I upload DIY and sewing tutorials every week with my dog Jack. And this is Jack. He'll be in all of my videos. Today we're going to show you guys how to make a t-shirt bag, and it's really fun. It's really simple. So this is the t-shirt that I used, and it says I'm with the band. I just think it's so cute. I used to have a shirt like this growing up. I don't know what happened to it. So it's a really easy tutorial, and you can use it grocery shopping. So it doesn't take that long to make this, and there's very little sewing required. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to do is cut your sleeves off and make sure that you cut beside the seam. Now cut around the neckline on the t-shirt. Now you're going to take your t-shirt, turn it inside out, and pin the bottom of the t-shirt together. Now sew it together. Cut off the excess fabric. Now turn it inside out. You're all done with your bag. So simple and so fun to make. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out.